The sky turned black over New Berlin that morning. A wall of ships climbed from horizon to horizon, and the sun vanished behind metal. The Varn came without warning, not to speak. The first bolt hit the Atlantic defense wall, and the world changed in an instant. Cities shook, oceans boiled, and people ran into the streets looking up. Below the surface, in glowing command rooms, General Reyes watched the feeds and did not panic. "The shield is gone," he said, and then he said, "We fight back." Those words moved like fire through 1,000 towns and villages. Soldiers locked rifles, engineers grabbed tools, doctors turned hospitals into fortresses. No single voice ordered them, and no single plan guided them. Humanity did what humans always do in the face of doom. It improvised and united. The Varn expected surrender. Within an hour, they had eaten worlds before breakfast. But Earth was stubborn and messy, and full of people who loved one another enough to fight. When dropships hit Paris, the city did not crumble, it transformed. The Eiffel Tower rose through smoke, a crooked flag flew from twisted metal. Snipers crouched on roofs, children passed ammo along ruined alleys. Old rifles sat beside plasma guns, homemade explosives hid in trash piles. People used whatever they had, and they used everything with relentless will. A girl named Leela ran through the rubble carrying a box of rounds to her father. Construction crews in New York welded launch rails from beams and scaffolds. Farmers flew crop dusters, turned into flying bombs over alien landing zones. "They are primitive," he said. "They will break," but they did not break. They reported back that humans used emotion as a weapon, something beyond calculation. The Skyburners, the last squadron, took off with patched jets and canned courage. Captain Nora Kane led them, her craft groaning under damage, but her voice clear on the radio. Her jet melted, but the reactor went soft and then bright, and the night became a sunrise of fire. The mothership exploded into 1,000,000 pieces and rained metal over the sea. The Varn vanished into the dark, leaving behind a wounded but alive planet. In the quiet that followed, survivors helped one another, healed broken bones, and buried heroes. Cities slowly rose again from dust and smoke, schools opened, and markets hummed. A message came from the Galactic Council, declaring humanity a Tier 1 species. Earth answered with 4 words: "We will be ready anyway." Children learned the story as a hymn of stubbornness and love. Leela grew into a woman, and every year she walked to the rebuilt tower and remembered those who gave everything. She looked at the horizon, smiled, and spoke the same line she had said as a child. "They picked the wrong planet. Never fight the humans," they said. "They do not know how to lose." Because humanity is memory and fire, and stubbornness wrapped in compassion. This is the day humans fought the sky and won. This is the story of Earth and of people who would not kneel.